cambio do comentário e vai hip hop e R&B então é artista não o agora que dá hard mesmo então sabe é discutir o hot topics o cômico e hoje é programa opinião.
Como sa eksperyensya ay era que siento aqui na Portugal que tuloy na po abin.
Guys, magkakaroon ko dito kung na bay maneira né ser bay na tudo tem isso só curar tudo isso não tudo do que artista na boa assim já não se vai vir com o back houve pronto essa muito bem da pronto esse houve bom dia na artista na houve great after enjoying the things that ter houve coisa
David Maserati y nosotros tenemos el futuro. Okay. DJ Power, I like your name, but explain to me. First of all, welcome to yourself, both of you, and the other team members. And how did it all start? How did it start with the Out of Control radio station and all these concepts that you have going around the world?
Well, the concept was just basically brought about bringing something crazy to the people, getting out of control. It started with the music because the music is out of control with the remixes and the way we play, but also about the topics that we talk about, making it real crazy and interesting, funny, and just something that people would latch onto. Now we have it broadcasted in 7 countries right now. It's expanding as much as we can.
Which are the countries that this will be broadcasted?
Right now we have it in America, Canada, Australia, Portugal, St. Martin, Virgin Islands, and we also have it in Curacao, of course.
So what will be the added value for the Curacao promotion when you go back to New York?
Well, basically, this was our first time here. I'd like to let everybody know this is the first time on the island. Our impression is it's a beautiful island with a lot of culture. And that's, to me, that's important because some places we have been a little bit different, but you guys have a lot of mix of different cultures here where you have the Spanish influence, the Dutch influence, you have people with a little bit of French. You have a good kind of combination with music and the culture. So to me, it was important to come here and experience it for ourselves so we can go back to New York and go to the radio and just tell everybody what Curacao is about.
Just tell me, what's the name DJ Power? What's your real name, if you don't mind to share it with us?
My real name is Derek. Power just basically stemmed from me being a powerful person, not just in music, but in spirit. That's basically what it is. It's about being powerful and whatever you do, having the energy, the confidence to do it happen.
Thank you very much.
There's no problem.
Now I want to have another answer for him.
Okay.
We're gonna edit this, so
Okay,
don't worry
edit
about
it.
that.
Okay,
So any
situation beyond our control, but we will be back real soon and look out for it back on the island. And really, we want to make this one of our places that we visit often throughout the year and just spread love to the Curacao people.
Thank you very much. You're more than welcome to return.
Thank you.
Okay, what will I ask you?
Oh, I decided.
Matt Link. Thanks. Matt Link, tell me a little bit about yourself.